guys. I'm stressed. This is my first time getting outside of the country, so there's a lot to look forward to. I'm super excited. I cannot wait. I'm just worried. And I want to have fun. I just want it to be an incredible experience of a lifetime. And I want to document that. Can't wait for you to see what's ahead.
Vlogging.
We're about to get on our flight to Newark.
It's about time to leave. Oh, hey.
Ooh,
hello.
I'm pumped. Are you pumped?
I am pumped.
Pumped to the capital P?
That's right. Girl, we got our bags back. Yay! Yay!
Love is the most important thing in the universe.
Deep talks at Newark Airport.
I mean, I was vegan before it was cool.
So we're on flight numero dos. Next stop, London.
Many thanks for attention once again and welcome aboard.
Apple juice, so good.
Hey, I'm tired.
Eric, did you sleep?
Nope.
We're really tired, but we're gonna get through it and have lots of fun.
Smell the sugar.
Welcome to paradise. Check it out.
Is that your home?
Check it out.
There's no crime in London.
It was the opposite.
Who thought it was a good idea to walk down a back alley in Chinatown in London?
Definitely me.
We are stuck in the back of a double-decker bus. Go, 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 go.
You know what? We're going on no sleep in about a day and a half. We just went into the Imperial War Museum.
The Churchill War Rooms?
The Churchill
Imperial War Museum.
I thought it was called that. It was cool. No, it was exhausted, but you know what? Like, you know, you could throw $1,000 in my face and I'd probably fall asleep right now. Like,
No, yep, I feel the same way.
I just got a great deal of enjoyment out of looking at ducks. Oh wait, coffee. Coffee.
Coffee. Bye.
I haven't had coffee because the line was too long.
You have bread.
Or bread.
What else do you need?
Coffee.
This is Tower Bridge.
How are you doing? Good. We just ate a great lunch at Gourmet Burger. It was really, really good. Did you have a good meal?
I had an awesome meal.
Great. Where are we heading next? Imperial War Museum. Check back with you then.
Hey guys, how's it going? Today, we're gonna go to the Imperial War Museum, okay? It's gonna be great. We're gonna see tons of archives, tons of factual items that have been uncovered under thousands of... I don't know, I lost it. Going for a second.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Get it together, oh my god. is it?
Sugar.
When Abby just eats sugar.
Now that's fresh.
Cinnabon time.
Good.
Very good.
Be better one. Good place.
Amen.
But
It's about the experience. You know, you're going down the street, you're in the marketplace, and you see bread in London, you know, nice Cinnabon.
yeah, I'm having a good time.
Did you read the sign? We just learned.
Check the neighbors and
We're
leave
learning.
quietly.
One that has vodka. Second, you must finish it before you leave. And we got an eye to catch.
Cheers. Back on the ground. That was awesome. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this piece of content, please do consider giving me a like and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Here are some other video recommendations that you should check out. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content from me. Thank you so much for the support and have a great rest of your day.